This is a Chinese takeout dish I did not know about. It found it at Chengdu restaurant out in Pittsburgh. Shout out to them. They've got a James Beard Award, and it is awesome. This is minced pork with green beans. So take out a notepad, get ready, because this one is awesome. All right, so as you already know, today we are making a badass recipe. This is going to be one that is based in Chinese cuisine. I'm going to try to get as close to traditionally as I can, and it is minced pork with green beans. So, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in, and I've got a lot of garlic here. You know I'm using at least 12, 16 cloves here. You want a lot of garlic, but you don't have to go crazy. We're gonna slice it up, and then we're gonna do a nice rocking motion for chopping it up. A nice rocking motion will do it real well. Check out Chef Ange. I'm gonna link him below. He has a really good tutorial on how to rock your knives. It's in a nice short, but we've got our pork butt here. So this pork butt is bone out, and you know, this one is a big guy, okay? So it's about 4 pounds that I'm using here. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice it up, and then I'm gonna mince it. Yes, Americans, there is a difference when it comes down to mincing. Yes, so when we mince in a meat, really in other countries, what they mean is to finely chop and then finely chop again. Here in America, we sometimes call minced pork, you know, ground pork. You know, it's very strange. It depends on where you go. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my cleaver here. It's the easiest way I could do it because it's very heavy, and I'm gonna go ahead and obliterate it because that's what this cleaver is called, the obliterator. Very nice cleaver. No promotion here for that, not paid by Dalstrong, but I absolutely love this product. All right, so it's all nice and minced up there, we can tell. So we're gonna move on to our other ingredients. Oh, you guessed it, green beans. Wow, yes, green beans. We're gonna go ahead and take some fresh green beans, and we're gonna go ahead and cut off the ends. Yeah, you can do it roughly like I'm doing here, and then we'll cut them in half as well. So we want about 1.5 inch long pieces. So this is about a pound of fresh green beans, and for the sauce, I'm gonna do about 1/4 cup of some soy sauce. Go less if you don't want it too soy sauce heavy. Go like 1 to 3 tablespoons, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, a tablespoon of some ginger here, and then we're gonna go ahead and move forward with about a tablespoon of some sugar. You can use honey. I didn't have any honey, which I would have rather used because you know I don't like sugar. And then I'm gonna move on to the oyster sauce. Now, I fought the hell out of this damn oyster sauce. I was just fighting it constantly because it was almost empty, but we want 1 to 2 tablespoons of that. That is gold. I'm telling you, oyster sauce is a really good thing. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up, and then into a wok, I'm gonna add some lard. So this is some pork lard. You can go with beef tallow, you can go with a good cooking oil that you want to use, but I wanted to use lard. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw in our green beans. Just give them a nice saute. This is at about medium heat. We want to just kind of get them a little brown, not too brown, but just a nice little crispy brown, and then remove them. Then we're gonna drop in our pork. So we're gonna drop in our minced pork. You can do this in batches if you're doing a big batch of this. And yeah, so we just want to make sure it's nice and seared up on all sides. We're gonna get it kind of crispy, but don't work it too hard right now, because later on in the process, we're gonna go ahead and start really caramelizing it. So don't push it too hard. Just get a nice Maillard on it, and then remove it for now. All right, so Fresno chilies, that's what I'm gonna add in here for a pop of color, a little bit of heat. Slice them in half after you destem them, and you can leave the seeds in if you want, like I do. I like everything hot. So then 2 more slices on each half, and then slice down the other direction. And then we're gonna drop in some garlic at lower heat. We don't want this super high. So all of our garlic that we chopped up earlier, so we got medium to low heat here. Then our pork, we're gonna mix that in there, and all that lard, and you don't have to go crazy with the lard, it's fine, people. Then we're gonna drop in our sauce, and mine, I like it a little bit more salty, but like you can do less salt if you want. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. So we've got it cooking on medium to low heat. Medium's good, but we just don't want to burn the garlic before we put in the sauce. That'll help reduce the chances of it burning. And then we're just going to give it a nice mix. Just keep babying this for a little bit. Keep moving around. We want this to caramelize. So the sauce will reduce a little bit along the way. You know it's right after about 20 minutes when you have it on low heat, and you can see right here that quite a bit has reduced, and it's super, super caramely. Like, it just looks like candy almost. Then we're going to drop in our Fresno chilies that we diced up. You don't have to use these. It's completely optional. Go for some, I don't know, something not hot but colorful if you want to. But gonna go ahead and mix this up here, and it is awesome. So drop in our green beans, and then we're just gonna give this a nice mix, and we're gonna be ready to plate very soon, people. We just want to make sure those green beans absorb some of that sauce as well. And this one, honestly, it's killer. It is killer, and you can adjust it to be perfect for meal prepping. So on to some jasmine rice. I'm gonna make a nice bed here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start piling up our meat and our green beans, our minced pork and our green beans. And I gotta tell you, this one is just so subtle and so damn good. All right, and we are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Here we go, get some of the pork, the green beans, the rice. There we go. Oh yeah, this is awesome. This is a good dish, and you gotta make it for yourself. So let me know in the comments below if you tried this out. Thank you so much for watching through the end of the video. And yeah, all I have to say here is I'm gonna eat this. And yeah, cheers. I'm out.